People going into Algebra 2 think this is the thing they need to know on the first day. It isn't. You've got to be able to factor. What you do is you take this first term 2, the coefficient, and you multiply it times the 15, and that gets you 30. Number right below it is going to be the middle coefficient. You come up with two numbers that multiply to be 30, but when you add them together or combine them, because sometimes they're negative, when you combine them, they are 13. This is 10 and 3. From here, you'll use that 10 and 3, and we're going to do something called factoring by grouping. This is one way to do it. Squared, writing 13x, you write 10x plus 3x, 15. Grouping, group up the first two terms, group up the second two terms. And to pull out common factors. To 2x squared and 10x, well, an x will go into both, but so does the 2. So I'm going to take out a 2x, or x times x is the x squared, plus something is 10x, that is 5. Back end, you take out something that goes into both a 3x and a 15. Well, that's going to be a 3. It's going to be the same as this. It'll be x plus 5. X is 3x, and 3 times 5 is 15. 2x plus 3 together, and you take the x plus 5, which is in both of these terms, and it goes here. Ahead, if you want to check, think about distributive property. You're taking this 2x times this thing, 2x times x plus 5, and you are taking the 3 times that thing as well, and then you go backwards and you would end up here, and that's what factoring means. Two binomials, you multiply together to get that. Another way to do it besides factoring by grouping, you use boxes. Square goes in the first box, the 15 goes in the last box, and then your 10x and your 3x go here. Now it's the same as factoring by grouping, it's just set up different, so some people like this more because it's a little more visual. What are you pulling out of this first line? A 2x squared and a 10x, I can take out a 2x. What can you pull out of a 3x and a 15? Out of the second row is a 3, positive 3. Now going up, you can pull up, or you can just think reverse multiplication. 2x times something gives me 2x squared. That would have to be an x. X times 2x is 2x squared. 2x times something gives me a 10x. That would be the plus 5. Okay, I'm not saying you don't need to know your exponent rules in Algebra 2, but your teachers expect that you remember how to factor when you walk in the door.